class day and after class support. Where does everyone fit in this learning journey? Whenever you're starting to learn or go deeper in a topic or a subject that you feel like you need to grow in, this is kind of what you're going to be going through. You're going to be going through phases of that learning. So let's talk about class day and after class support. What's the difference? Now, on class day, you're going to have obviously class, and we're going to do a lot of visuals in that class. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to see the theory working, which is really awesome. You're going to have a workbook that's going to help you write down information. And that's going to be good too, because the more you write down, the more you're going to connect the understanding in your brain. And then you're going to have a replay, because when you do all of these together, that's the beginning here in this journey, is making you sure you understand the concepts that we cover and helping you remember them. But that's only the beginning. So class day, you're going to get a lot of awesome stuff. Now in foundations, you have 2 class days. You're going to have a class day that's on demand that you do on your own, and then class day with us, where we're going to do a lot of fun activities and a lot of color mixing. So after this class day or class days, what happens? Well, it doesn't just go from understanding to all of a sudden, now I can use all of this information really well and now I'm done. If it was like that, it would be so awesome. But of course it's not. And so what we've got to do is we got to add to this. Now, in order to add to this, basically what we're doing is we're taking this information that you just got and understood in your mind, and now we got to connect it to your ability to do it with your hands. You have to be able to apply this behind the chair, and that doesn't just come from understanding information. You've got to start applying. So this is where your after class support is going to jump in and help fill in the gap so that you can move to this next place. So here's how that works. After you finish your class day and you get your replay in your Thinkific account, you're also going to get access to our CWC badge portal. And basically what it means is for each class that you take, you have after class activities that you are going to be able to do. Now, each activity, so for foundations, it's going to be this color wheel. Each slice on this color wheel is going to be an activity. And every time you do an activity and you pop that into the Facebook group, you're going to earn a Hue badge, which is so cool, because as you do these activities, these are nice small wins. Like, they're going to feel really good. And every time you do one, you're going to start to shift the way you see and think about colors, so that you don't have to ask people what to use. You're asking more, how do I choose? Which basically makes you really independent and free behind the chair. So every time you do one, you're going to earn a badge. And by the time you are done with this, you're going to build up some really amazing skill sets. This is actually just the first class in our after class support. We have another class and then another one for foundations, because we want you guys to win. We don't want class day to be it for you. We want to be able to help you learn how to build the skills from what you're learning. So this one is going to be for our Foundations of Color Theory class. This is level 1. You're going to build your eye refinement and be able to see color and identify it very easily in a tube of color, in a head of hair, in inspiration pictures you see. And then you're going to go into level 2, where you start to really control your color mixing with your line, not someone else's, not someone else's thinking. You're actually going to learn how to do it for yourself. And then level 3 is going to be where you learn to map that color on your color wheel. So if you've ever seen us draw our dots and do our lines on this wheel, by the level 3, you're going to be working yourself up to the ability to do this, to know how to use this wheel, to choose, to create, and to check the formulas that you're using, so that you can make sure that you're being as predictable and consistent as you want to be. When you're done with your after class activities, you're going to have a wheel that looks like this. Plus, you're going to have some color targets on the side from your level 3. So it is awesome. You're going to have support from stylists that are all over the world in our Colors with Chemistry community, using all different color lines, using the same foundational color theory. So we're excited to meet you. We can't wait to see you in class. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.